فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Today we start our first lesson of grammar from kalima. Kalima, a meaningful word in Arabic, is called kalima. Unlike English, Arabic has only 3 parts of speech. Every word of Arabic falls into one of 3 categories. So the classification of kalima will be as is. It will call noun, fi'l. In English we will call verb, and harf we will call letters or pronoun or is. It is that word which doesn't need the help of another word to explain its meaning. So the definition of is or noun will be the name of a person, place or a thing. Noun, it is a permanent, it doesn't have a tense, past, present or future. So the examples of noun will be in Arabic kitabun, a book, qalamun, a pen, Muhammadun, Muhammad. Second category of kalima is verb. In Arabic we call fi'l. Verb is a word related to action. It does have a tense, past, present or future. Examples of verb: dakhala, he entered; kataba, he wrote; nasara, he helped. Third category of kalima is letters or preposition. In Arabic we call harf. Preposition or letters joins nouns and verbs. Harf gives meanings to a sentence only when it is used with a noun or a verb. It is permanent, it does not have a tense, past, present or future. Examples of harf: min, meaning of min is from or any; ala, meaning of ala is on or upon; bo, an or an both. Sentence in Arabic we call jumla. A sentence is a combination of noun, verb and letters or preposition.